So hey guys, welcome to Clear and Crisp Coding, and in this video we would be discussing the solution of Codeforces round 652 div 2 problem fun. This was the first problem fashionably. So here is the problem statement, but if I explain you the problem in simple and clear way without missing any important point, then the problem is just something like this. So we would be given some n, that means an n-sided regular polygon, and we have to check whether that n-sided regular polygon can be arranged by rotating in such a way that at the two of the sides are parallel to x and y axis. So we can rotate any polygon which is given to us, and it should be parallel to x and y axes. So now let's get to the solution. So basically we would be given some regular polygon. So suppose if n is given to us as 3, so we are given this triangle, and if we see that there is actually no way by rotating this triangle such that there is at least two sides which are parallel to this axis. So if we see in this orientation, this is parallel to xy, but in this the y is parallel, but nothing is parallel to the x. So basically if we think that we are making the regular polygons, so all angles would be equal, and if we see that the smallest figure which satisfies the condition is simply a square, so this would be a square. And if we see that for any figure which is valid, there would be some side like this and some other like this, and then between these two there could be some number of, say, other sides, and corresponding to this, since it is a regular, so this is horizontal, then there would definitely be horizontal like this and vertical like this. So if we combine all these to one point, then it would be like a square to us. And suppose if we add, so these were given to us, if we add these lines like this, so this become an hexagon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, sorry, it's an octagon, that means 8. And for these only, if we see between these two, if we added two other, like means like this and this, so this and this, so this and this, this and this, so that means there are between this we can add 0 1 2 0 1 2. So we would be adding some sides in this. So this is for 2 when 2 is added, this is for 1 is added, this is when 0 is added. So we can, if we see that we can only get this kind of orientation when this 0 1 and 2 are there, that means there are some multiple of these, there are some multiples. So basically if we count that this would have 4 sides, this one would have 1 2 3 4, these 4 would always be there, and between these 1 2 and 3 4 gaps there can be 1 2 1 or 2 or 3 or anyone. So let's suppose in this case there are 1 2 3 and 4. In this case if we see there are 2, here are 2, here are 2, here are 2. So for 4 we have 4 into 2. So if we see that for any valid n, the only condition is that it should be, n should be multiple of 4, that means n mod 4 should be 0. And that how we concluded. We formed this by observation that it is only possible when some of the sides are like this. So we got this filling missing places which could be placed by either one side or 0 side, then it would be a square, or two sides, and so on. So in all these conditions, if we counted that in this was having just 4, this was having 4 of the vertical and horizontal and 4 diagonal, so 4 plus 4. For this in already had 4, and in each of the 4 empty spots we added 2, so 4 into 2, so it would be 4 into 3, 4 into 2, 4 into 1. So all the valid would be some multiple of 4. So then only we would be able to place it like this. So this was the entire solution, and here is the code. So just we have to check if it is a multiple of 4, then the answer is yes, else the answer is no. So I hope I was able to explain the problem. If you still have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, I am regularly posting competitive programming material, and I have live contest. Do like this video and tell me how was it. Thank you for watching.